Hello, in this video I want to show you the top 5 tips you can use on a ZenFone 9 camera. So first let's open up the camera, and right here one thing that is kinda hidden and you don't know about it probably is that you can take a burst shot. So make sure that you're using the 4:3 aspect ratio and not the full resolution, as it doesn't work with it. So now hold your finger onto the shutter and scroll it to the right to take the burst shot. That way you'll instantly make, as I just did, 46 photos. And yeah, that's the first tip. Next is which they don't show you instantly, is that you can use a 50 megapixels camera resolution, and if we take a photos, they should be much better than the normal ones. As you can see, there's more light and everything. Now next tip is to go for the settings again, and right here we can enable the camera location services, and if we take the photos we should be able to see on the photo itself where that photo was taken. If we go to details, and there should be location right here, but for me it's insufficient as I don't have location services on this device right now. But if you get them, you should see the location right here. Next tip is to go for the settings again, and right here if you scroll down you can find the set volume key as, and you can use shutter or zoom. So right now I have a shutter, and that means I can take the pictures with a volume key. If I press it once, I can just make photos. You can also go for the zoom level. And now if we go back, we can zoom in with a volume key, but I'm in the 15 megapixels and that feature doesn't work here, so let's change it to 4:3 and use it again. And as you can see, the zoom works fine. Another thing that you might not know is that you can add the timer for your photos without going through the settings. So here's the timer, and you can add it right here, but you can also add it by just dragging up your finger like this and drop it. That way you'll add the timer quickly without going through the settings. Next is to open your settings, and here if you go for edit camera modes, you can add or remove modes from your list down here. So right here we have slow-mo, time-lapse, video, and etc. For example, if you only want to get pro and normal camera or video recording, you can do that here. So let's open it again, and let's disable all of this, and this, and just add pro and pro video mode. Now if we go back, we should see the modes that we've just changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.